We got the grant because, it's a serious scientific experiment, and the Society of Physics students decided that, we needed the financial help to conduct the research. I'm glad they did, because now we can get all these high-tech devices to levitate this ion, to shoot a really cool laser beam to it, and to observe its scattering.
Basically what I'm doing is I'm soldering connections for electrical inputs to from the outside of this box to the inside of the box. We previously were making this box for a variety of reasons, and basically the main reason is to keep wind from blowing in and blowing ions out of the trap. And what the wires do is they connect outside electric current and other things like that, a voltage source basically, to all the different components of the trap, which allows us to trap the ions.
But the one thing that we really need and that we're going to get thanks to the grant is this high voltage electrospray ionization apparatus. And can't wait to use it.
Naturally, I mean, you have to understand how the trap works, and that's a lot of like electrostatics, dynamics, other things like that. There's a lot of pretty heavy physics, and then actually, in order to approximate, you need to know some pretty intense level math actually too. So I've been learning a lot about that.
These are the carbon nanoparticles that we're going to levitate, and these are the particles that we're going to use to shoot the laser through. And, you can't really see them because they're suspended, but whenever we get them out, they'll levitate by themselves.
Some of the really fun stuff for me is building, and that's something that I've gotten to do recently. As you saw, we were soldering and doing fun stuff like that. So it's really exciting to get to apply all these things at the same time. So it's been a really exciting project because of that.
I want to get my doctorate in some type of physical science, and having this opportunity, I'm now thinking about pursuing something in maybe quantum, or maybe doing a doctorate thesis research on something quantum, because that can advance the world. I'm really young. I'm a sophomore, and I've gotten to do some really exciting research, especially through this. I mean, I've gotten to see things and I guess learn things and figure out that basically this kind of trap, a surface electrode multipole ion trap, can be created, and nobody knew that before this. It's something that we learned, and this is, it's new and it's cool. So it's really exciting for me to be able to see things or know things that not only I didn't know before, but other people didn't know before too.